planning a holiday? Or maybe you regret nominating yourself to plan that last family vacation? Here's 4 tips on how to easily plan for any vacation for yourself or family and friends using the latest AI Copilot features on Microsoft 365. Copilot in Word can help you create detailed travel itineraries that include a list of daily activities. If you're going on an adventure holiday or maybe stopping off at multiple destinations, you can add in links to the things you want to do and places you want to see on different days in your Copilot prompt. Once you've refined your plan, you can get Copilot to format it in whatever way you want, like a table, an agenda, or maybe broken down into a list of different days. This is awesome for if you're dealing with a fussy travel buddy who can't understand a specific format you've given the group. OneNote isn't just for students or people who might need a digital notebook. OneNote is the perfect place to share all the important information, like your Copilot created travel itinerary, contact information, dietary requirements, links to hotels and restaurants, flight details, literally anything that you might need to share and collaborate with the group. You can also give everybody access to edit the main page of information. Or if you've got a chatty group, you can always dedicate a page to each person. But Sean, I thought you said this video was about Copilot. There's Copilot even in OneNote. Just hit that symbol and open up the prompt. From there, all you need to do is focus on all the travel information, then let Copilot write it like it came from a fancy travel guide. Use your own way of talking to find things and keep all your photos and videos safe with OneDrive. If you've been traveling enough, you know how easy it is to lose or damage your phone when you're having fun. By installing OneDrive on your phone and using awesome features like bedtime backup on iOS, you can ensure that all those awesome memories you captured during the day are safe when connected to the hotel Wi-Fi and charged at night. To relive any of those awesome times, instead of scrolling through an endless sea of photos, just go into OneDrive, type the first thing that comes into your head about that moment, and advanced AI search will help find what you're looking for faster than ever before. Use Copilot and Outlook to help craft the perfect automatic reply and to help transition you from vacation vibes into work mode. To make sure no one bothers you while you're on holidays, get Copilot to help draft an email with all the important information someone might need in your absence, and to let them know that you might be late on a reply. When you return to work, don't fear the 432 emails waiting for you, because Copilot can summarize everything. It can tell you what to reply to first, what to action straight away, and it can also summarize massive email threads or single emails that would have taken you hours to read through. And there you have it, 4 ways Copilot and Microsoft 365 can help plan any vacation.